Still got about 2 more days of just really nasty weather to go before we can get back to some real Texas weather. Now, weather on the road, obviously today, not pretty. Today, this morning, we have icy roads from what happened overnight. There's not much new precipitation falling. There's a little bit of freezing rain out there, but it's not that there's new precip. It's just that the roads or whatever's out there froze over from overnight. So you got to be careful. Now, as we get into the afternoon, we're going to have freezing rain and rain. Travel is discouraged. Even though there may be some wet roads, especially from Dallas east, just due to the temperatures that rise, you just have to be very careful. Never assume that even if the road is good, that a mile from you, it can't be horrible. And then tomorrow morning is mostly rain. Temperatures inch back to the freezing mark and above by tomorrow morning. There still could be a little ice north and west. And then as we go into tomorrow afternoon, it should be quieter. Less precip. Might just be on the cloudy side and above freezing everywhere. So finally we can move on. And as we look at forewarned Doppler radar this morning, there's not much going on, at least locally in the Metroplex. We've had very little overnight. Now that down south over in Navarro County, Henderson County, south of Canton, that's pretty much freezing rain. So there is freezing rain, a little band in our southern counties. So it's not pretty out there. And it's 27, 28 degrees, even 29 in Corsicana. I've had reports, some roads are slick, some are wet in our southern counties. And the way Futurecast looks for today, we're going to probably see this rainfall fill in. I say rain, but it's below freezing. See, our computer just sometimes doesn't know what to make with some of the temperatures, because by the afternoon, it's going to be very close to the freezing mark. It'll be 31, especially out east. I think it'll be 32 or 33 where it's just wet. But the winter weather potential today, from Dallas, Fort Worth, north and west, it's freezing rain, a little bit of sleet. It's not like yesterday. We had these big sleet showers, but the ice may be significant. And then freezing rain and rain from Dallas, Waxahachie, Terrell, Kaufman on to the east. Freezing rain and rain. What does that mean? Rain is probably keeping roads wet, 31, 32 degrees, but it also means it builds up on trees and power lines. And with the coverage increasing to 90% as we go through the day and overnight, and the buildup on trees and power lines, you could definitely, from the Metroplex west, have more significant problems with a ½ inch of ice. In the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just depends on the exact temperature. We're playing with a degree here and there. If it's 1 degree colder, we have significant ice. If it's 1 degree warmer, it's mostly rain, and then just isolated problems as you get into our eastern counties. So here's the story for today. You see the band that's now south of us down around Palestine and Corsicana. The next batch is firing up after a relative lull overnight. And you can see, again, this steady stream with a pretty strong disturbance, just like yesterday. Temperatures high above the ground are in the 40s. At the surface, we're in the 20s. So rain is falling into colder air. The depth of the cold air is less this morning, so there's less likely to be sleet like we had yesterday, and more likely to be just more on the freezing rain side. As the parent storm comes into Texas tomorrow, we finally have one last day of this, and then we'll eventually just get a little warmer. So it's mostly rain tomorrow, a little bit of ice on the fringes. That's out of here by Friday, and with northwest winds in the atmosphere, the sun returns, and we keep it quiet into the weekend. So the way it does look, it's about 90% today and tonight. It's about 70% tomorrow. We're going to get some, especially cold rain in the morning. There may not be much going on in the afternoon. A little bit may come in Thursday night as the backside of the storm crosses the area, and nothing after Friday. We have no significant storms, at least for the next few days after Friday. So 31 today. Staying at the same temperature tonight. So if you have a problem with ice today, you probably have it tonight. If you get to 31, 32, you're more likely to be dealing with wet roads. It's, we got a lot of counties. It's a 50-50 proposition. Tomorrow morning, we'll still see some rain around the afternoon, probably just cloudier and dry. A little bit of rain during the evening or at night, and then it should be gone by Friday as we warm up. 60, 65 this weekend. Couple of showers Tuesday. For now, that's about it. Chip.